I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the PSB and a computer ready. This reduces mistakes. Connect via USB or remove the memory stick and use a card reader for speed. Once connected, copy the entire /PSB/save data and /PSB/game folders to a safe PC folder so you can restore if needed. Make sure the save data ID match the game region, otherwise the PSB won't read them. With backups secured, you're ready to place new save files into the correct PSB directory. Now you transfer and, if required, convert the saves so the PSB can use them. You place the save folder into /PSB/save data on the memory stick, confirming the 8+8 save ID matches the game. If the save is a bin or PC format, use Save Game Manager or a converter to create the proper folder structure. This ensures the PSB recognizes permissions and title ID. Once done, safely eject the memory stick and reinsert it into the PSB. You should see the new finish by launching the game and verifying the transferred save is selectable. This confirms success. If the save doesn't appear, make sure the param SFO title ID and folder name exactly match the game's ID and region, then try again. Once checked, rebuild the PSB database via settings or use CFW save tools to fix permission issues. As a final tip, restore your original backup before retrying any risky conversions, because that prevents data loss and lets you repeat steps cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.